Welcome to AI Meets Marketing News, where we share the latest trends and insights in AI marketing. Imagine a world where AI conducts scientific research from start to finish well. That future is here. Tokyo-based Sakana AI has just introduced the AI Scientist, a revolutionary system that could change the way we approach scientific discovery. This cutting-edge technology leverages large language models, or LLMs, to generate research ideas, run experiments, analyze data, and even write complete scientific papers without human intervention. Sakana AI, in collaboration with the University of Oxford and the University of British Columbia, has already tested the system, producing research on machine learning topics like diffusion models and transformers. And here's the real game changer. Each AI-generated paper costs just $15. This could democratize research, making high-level scientific discovery more accessible than ever. But with great innovation comes great responsibility. Experts are debating the ethical implications. Can AI truly replace human intuition in research? And what about accountability? One thing's for sure, AI is no longer just assisting in science, it's becoming a scientist itself. As we continue, let's take a look at another AI news. Breaking news, dubbing AI is revolutionizing voice changing. What if you could change your voice in real time from a deep, villainous tone to a high-pitched anime character with just one click? Well, now you can. Meet Dubbing AI, the real-time AI voice changer with over 1,000 voices designed for gamers, streamers, and content creators. Whether you're playing games, hosting live streams, or making videos, this tool lets you instantly transform your voice with zero lag and studio quality sound. With Dubbing AI, you can change your voice live while gaming or streaming, sound like famous characters, robots, or even celebrities. Use it for content creation, pranks, or professional voiceovers. And here's the best part. Dubbly AI works with all major platforms, including YouTube, Twitch, Discord, and more. Whether you want to entertain your audience, create hilarious videos, and the reviews, users love it with a 4.8 out of 5 star rating on Product Hunt. The feedback is incredible. And finally, wrapping up with our last major news. TikTok's latest trend is heating up, literally. The micro AI filter makes users appear trapped inside a spinning microwave, complete with realistic beeping and whirring sounds. This bizarre yet hilarious effect has taken TikTok by storm. Thousands of users are hopping on the trend, using it for comedy, lip syncs, and even dramatic storytelling. While many find it fun and unique, some say the effect is overused and even a little unsettling. Love it or over it? Let us know. Stay tuned for more viral trends. Back to you. Thanks for tuning in to AI News. Press bell icon for more updates from AI Meets Marketing.
Subscribe to AI Meets Marketing and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.